Hey guys, welcome back to another How to World War II video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to use a P51 and P38 military can opener. So, let's get started. First, you're going to grab one of your can openers. It doesn't really matter which one, but I prefer the P51 because my hands are a little bit bigger and it's easier to hold. So, or you can use a P38. It doesn't really matter. I would say it just depends on your hand size. So, for a second, you want to grab your can. Now, it doesn't really matter what kind of can you have, whatever you want to get open. So, just want to grab your can opener. Make sure you're holding it like this with the blade out. It's going to be wiggling around, but it doesn't really matter. Just keep it hold with your index finger. Then you're going to want to stick this part right here on the edge of the can with the blade hitting the top. Now you just want to push down. So now we have penetrated the can, and you can start peeling back. It's going to take a little bit of work. It's all on the wrist. Just want to keep coming back, pushing down, come back, push down, and eventually you're going to have the can opening. So yeah, that's how you open the can, and let's see if I can open it. Alright, welcome back. So yeah, I got the can open. Took a little while, but you know, it's part of the fun. So after you cut around here, be careful not to prick your finger, because that hurts. And so you just want to take the edge or the bottom and just peel up the can. And after you peel it up, before you pull it up, actually, when the lid is down, just keep your finger on top and pour it over a sink or on the ground. Just get all those juices out. So as you can see, you got some nice green beans. So yeah, that's how you use a P51 and or P38 military style can opener. I like these for reenactment. They're pretty cheap, and you can see the nice stamp on the back if it's focused. But military surplus stores usually have these quite cheap. Online they're about $2 plus shipping. So best bet is to just get them at your local military surplus store. But I've had mine for a couple years now, and they're still fine. Yeah, I keep them on my dog tags. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Sorry for the 5-month video delay. Been doing some stuff, and as you saw in my last video, I had a cast on this arm. I broke my hand because I punched something and it broke my hand. So yeah, but it's all good now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tune in for my next video. I'll do some gear review and some DIYs. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next one. Goodbye.